What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and this is update number 2 regarding the 7.55 jailbreak. So guys, if you remember, this is disclosed in January the 13th. It's about maybe half a month now, and I've been just waiting around to see what updates are going to go through before I post a video and update you guys on what's actually happening. So there was another method that's out. It's regarding an IPv6 hack. It's a memory corruption that can be achieved by sending a fragmented IPv6 packet. Now, this is what is actually available right now, and this is just the raw format of the hack that's available. So guys, this should now be worked upon and then be made public, and that's accessible for everyone to use on their PS4s. So now there is some developments over here. If you look into Specter's Instagram over here, he said, I'll do a stream in about 15 minutes with T-Master looking at the new IPv6 bug and exploiting PS4. First on 5.05 and then moving up after. So that live stream did get a little delayed, guys. If you look over here, day 0 is the actual event. We're delaying the PS4 kernel exploit stream until Friday. Apologies, and this is January 28th. That's just a few days ago. Moving on forward, there was an issue with Specter's PS4, as you can see here. Hopefully not, but probably RIP old friend. So there was an issue that he ran into where his PS4 was completely hung and wasn't able to boot. But shortly after, seems we're okay, it was a bad UART connection. See, if you have a UART enabled and the data can't be sent, the system hangs indefinitely when booting. Because of this, guys, they had to go ahead and push over the event. Unfortunately, we'll have to delay the PS4 stream again until Tuesday, which is going to be about tomorrow. Specter's system is having an unusual issue. No testing is possible at the moment. PS4 stream will resume Tuesday, Feb the 2nd at 5:30 p.m. EST. 2:30 p.m. PST. So guys, this is where we are right now with the whole 7.55 jailbreak update. So hopefully Specter and Themaster, they both work together and help make this exploit more user-friendly and available to the public soon. So guys, that is going to go on right now, and tomorrow I guess it's going to be better news or more developments regarding this, and I'll be covering a video about this again as the final update, hopefully the final update or update number 3. But that aside, guys, there is other updates going on right now. For example, there is a PS4 offline account activator for 7.02 that just got released. A lot of my viewers have been commenting and asking about how to go ahead and get the PSN activation for 7.02 in order to go ahead and restore their games, save their games, remote play access, etc. So June has released this one, and it is not entirely complete, but I'm going to be testing this out and making a video about this just in a day or two, so I can go ahead and make a tutorial for everyone who's on 7.02 right now and helping them with activating their accounts offline. With that aside, now talking about the stability for 7.02 firmware, there is a lot of updates going on with the different hosts. Like Night King has updated all the way to 1.6 now. And honestly, guys, I'm still using 7.02, and surprisingly enough, sometimes I get, I get absolute success in like the second attempt or even sometimes the first attempt. And there's only rare times I had to wait till like the 5th or 6th attempt, and very, very rare that I had to wait for like 8 or 9 attempts. But however, every attempt is just refreshing the page, which honestly is not a big deal. And I'm going to be covering a video, as I mentioned earlier, in the 7.02 video, that I will be comparing all the different hosts and see which one works best, which one is more stable or more successful. I'm going to be comparing all of them out, and I'm going to be posting a video soon as well. So guys, that's about it for this particular video. I hope you found this video helpful regarding an update number 2 for this entire 7.55 jailbreak. As mentioned, I hope there will be a really good update coming up tomorrow from the whole live stream that's going to happen. And I will be covering more tutorials as mentioned regarding the PS4 offline for 7.02. And let me know in the comments if there's something else that you would like me to cover specifically. Alright guys, that's about it. Well, I hope you have a great week ahead, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers and happy gaming. Bye bye guys.